Advent calendar day 20 and 21. Okay, this is the second time we had to shoot this because the first video didn't work out. Also, we missed Saturday's one because someone's been catering since Friday. So.
Yeah. Did you tell them why? The first one didn't work out.
Iemand sit oop bene met
gat in my broek. Jy het amper 'n bietjie action gekry.
So, anyways, this was in your day 20.
20, yes.
Yeah. And this was in my day 20. It's a highlighter, so it's actually very shiny. That looks really cool. Chuffed with that one. Thank you, babe. And then this was in his day 21.
Yeah.
So it's like lapper for his motorbike. To wash his motorbike. With this little M&M money. And then of course it will not be complete if I don't get something for my lippe. So this is a lip liner. Anyways, gaan nie weer hierdie video oorskiet nie. This is it. Come back tomorrow for day
22.
22. Okay, bye.
Bye.